Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the law of assumption and how it can help you manifest success in your life. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is a powerful concept that states that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. In other words, what we assume to be true becomes true for us. This means that if we want to manifest success in our lives, we need to assume that we are already successful. How to use the law of assumption to manifest success. 1. Define your vision. The first step to manifesting success is to define your vision. What does success mean to you? What do you want to achieve? Be as specific as possible and write down your vision. 2. Assume your vision is already true. Once you have defined your vision, assume that it is already true. Visualize yourself as if you have already achieved your goals. Feel the emotions of success and let them fill you up. 3. Take inspired action. The law of assumption is not about wishful thinking. It's about taking inspired action toward your goals. Take small steps every day that align with your vision. This will help you build momentum and attract more success into your life. 4. Believe in yourself. Finally, believe in yourself and your ability to manifest success. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that everything is happening for your highest good. So there you have it, the law of assumption can help you manifest success in your life. Remember to define your vision, assume it's already true, take inspired action, and believe in yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.